Hi everybody, it's Christina from Christina's Crafts, and I am going to show you how to make this cute butterfly. Right, for this project you are going to use a 5mm crochet hook and a number 4 worsted weight yarn. First you're going to slip stitch under your hook, then you are going to chain 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you're going to slip stitch in the first chain to create your circle. This yarn's being difficult. All right, so you got your circle here. All right, then you are going to chain 4. And you're going to make 3 triple crochet or treble crochet in the center. So 1, 2, 3. All right, from there you're going to chain 3. And then you're going to slip stitch into the center. All right, and there you have your first wing. All right, then you're going to repeat that. You're going to chain 4. Did I get 4 there? 1, 2, 3, 4, and then put 3 triple crochet in the center. Two, 3, then you're going to chain 3 and slip stitch back into the center. And that is your second wing. All right, you're gonna try to pull your wings back here a little bit from the center before we do the last 2, because you have to have enough room to put 2 more on there. So chain 3, and then you're gonna put 3 double crochet into the middle. So 1, 2, 3, and then you are going to chain 3 and then slip stitch into the center. All right, and then you just have 1 more to do. So repeat what you just did. Chain 3 and then 3 double crochet in the center. 1, 2, 3. And then you're going to chain 3 and then slip stitch into the center. All right. Then what you want to do is you want to pull this tight here to get rid of that in the middle a little bit, the hole. And then you are going to get your scissors, snip it, and then you're going to wrap around and pull through to finish it off. All right. And as you can see, because of the triple crochet, they're bigger on top and the double crochet a little smaller on the bottom. All right. Okay, so what you want to do then, I'm just going to do this real quick. You just need to crochet in your ends in the back here. Normally I put it through at least 3 times so it doesn't come out. But more than likely this is going to get attached to a hat or something like that. So just gonna stick it in there like twice. You could also leave the ends on if you know you're going to crochet it onto something. You could just leave these but make them a little bit longer so that you could, I shouldn't say crochet it on, sew it on to a hat or whatever you want. All right. Okay, then to finish up the butterfly and to make the antenna, you are going to wrap the yarn around like this. All right, tie it on the bottom here, like that. And then bring it up towards the top here. And you want to make sure you tie it on the top. Up there, and then put a double knot in there. Sorry if you can hear my dog whining behind me. It's getting close to time to eat. He's very impatient. He's 14 years old. All right. And then you are just gonna cut a little bit off the top here for the antenna for the butterfly. And there you go. You're all set.